Nigel, be nice. You're being jerk master. Alright?
Hey, babies. Well, let's see if they scare you again. Come on. Let's see if these little puppies scare you again. Come on. Hey, excuse me, this is my lab. And you guys are all crawling into my lab. Oh, you are a punk. You are a little punk. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Look, that's